Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the enchanting world of stone sculpture. I'll show you how to transform ordinary stones into whimsical animal sculptures that are not only fun to create but also perfect for selling. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a beginner looking to explore your creativity, this project is for you. Let's gather our materials and get started. Materials needed: various stones. Smooth river stones work well, acrylic paints, paintbrushes, sealant, for protection, optional, googly eyes, felt or other embellishments. Choosing your stones: start by selecting stones that inspire you. Look for unique shapes that can resemble animals. Let your imagination run wild. Sketching your design: before you start painting, sketch out your design. This will help you visualize how your animal will look once it's complete. Painting the base layer: apply a base layer of paint. This will be the foundation for your animal. Choose colors that represent the animal you're creating. Adding details: once the base layer is dry, start adding details like patterns, eyes, and textures. This is where your creativity shines. Finishing touches: after painting, add any embellishments like googly eyes or felt for ears. Finally, seal your sculpture with a protective coat to ensure it lasts. Pricing and selling: now that your sculptures are complete, think about how to price them. Consider the time you spent creating them, the materials used, and your local market. You can sell them online, at craft fairs, or in local shops. Animal statuary design ideas: are you an animal lover? Or maybe you just want to add a natural, whimsical touch to your garden? Consider adding a hand-carved stone animal statue. We can transform a block of stone into your favorite animal. Take a look at some of our designs. Tortoise: this tortoise is the perfect addition to your garden or pond. The statue is carved from charcoal gray granite. The polished shell will make this tortoise. Easy to spot in any landscape. Stone tortoise statue. Polar bears: these polar bears aren't just for the North Pole. The mother bear and her cubs are a heartwarming combination for your garden. The bears are carved from durable Bianco Catalina granite to stand up in any type of weather. See this statue in person to notice all of the intricate carved details that make these bears truly come to life. Polar bear statue. Zebras: add exotic wildlife to your landscape with these zebras. The statue is carved from charcoal gray granite. Artisans created the stripes by polishing sections of the stone. The stripes create a unique color and texture contrast. Zebras statue. Crocodile: don't be afraid. This crocodile doesn't bite. This realistic looking crocodile isn't alive. It is hand-carved from natural stone. The mermaid green granite is a nearly perfect color match for a real crocodile's skin. Our artisans hand-carved the scales into this statue with incredible detail to make a realistic statue. Crocodile statue. Cats: are you a cat lover? This pair of playful cats is carved from coffee brown marble. This stone type has medium and dark veining that mimics the natural color variations in some cat's fur. Animal sculptures for sale. Animal sculpture and wildlife sculpture are a popular genre in the world of art. From private art collectors, to interior designers, to curators, all types of enthusiastic animal artwork aficionados can agree that every collection of art should include some animal sculptures. From when we are children, our curiosity and interest in animals and wildlife begins, which can lead to a lifelong connection to creatures and species that speak to our soul. Explore our animal sculptures collection. Unique style of sculpting proves to be an interesting way to depict animal stone sculptures. Captures the spirit of every animal he creates, and uses the natural striations and grain in the stone block to align with an animal's natural shape. And its outer surface of fur, feathers, or skin. There is constantly changing collection of wildlife and animal sculptures for sale in the gallery. Abstract original stone rabbit sculpture carved from marble by Canadian artist Grand Lapin the Rabbit, Duck. Sculptor stone sculpture Arctic muskox carving fine art Carrara marble Vancouver Canad, muskox. Michael Binkley's wildlife and animal sculpture mastery. Michael Binkley's connection to different animal species has been a lifelong interest that helps him translate the spirit of animals into a beautiful wildlife sculpture that can be enjoyed always. Michael seems to have an innate ability to tackle any animal subject and create a stunning sculpture of it. He has sculpted many wildlife themes of animals from every continent. Wait. You don't see a particular animal sculpture you are interested in? Michael Binkley will be happy to create that special animal for you. This bespoke sculpture service is designed to be inclusive and the solution for you. This custom stone sculpture process is a collaborative journey between you and Michael. His gentle manner and ability to realize an animal sculpture from the initial consultation he has with you will result in the perfect artwork for your collection or presentation gift needs. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. I hope you feel inspired to transform stones into whimsical animal sculptures of your own. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share your favorite animal ideas in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more artistic tutorials. Happy sculpting, and see you in the next video.